Hello friends, have a nice day. Myself Professor of Neit Computer Tutorial Platform. Congratulate you to our YouTube platform. Hope this video will find you in good health and spirit. I have discussed so many important questions, more than 50 questions in this video. Specially it is used for computer students, IT students, all fresher students. Questions based on computer fundamentals. Let us check all these questions one by one. If you are new to our channel, you have to share, subscribe and like our channel so that the new video that I will upload, you can get its notification easily. Let us check one by one. Question number 503. What type of calculation processed by computer? The correct answer is arithmetical and logical operation. What is the full form of a computer? Common operating machine purposely used for technological and educational research. Next question is, why do you say computer as a versatile machine? आमे कंप्यूटर को कहीं versatile machine बोली कहबा? Because it is very fast in every field and it is a part of our life. So that is why this is called as a versatile machine. Which word is the origin of a word computer? The word compute, which means to calculate, to count, to think or to sum up. What are the fields of a computer use? को जगह में कंप्यूटर को यूज करबा normally this is a very important question. For communication, for entertainment, for business, healthcare, software engineering, artificial intelligence, education, banking and in finance sectors. Question number 508. For what purpose do you use computer? Generally for creating document, send mail, browse the web, play games, input, store, process data and provides output. Is computer a programmable computing machine? Computer गोटे programmable computing machine कहबा कि yes, it is a programmable computing device performing mathematical and logical operation at high speed. What can a computer do for us? It store, retrieve, process data and information. What is the application of a digital computer? Managing inventory, designing purpose, creating sample product, video conferencing, online marketing and other official applications. These are the main applications used by digital computer. What is the application of analog computer? Flight computer in aircraft, ships, submarines, temperature measurement, refrigerator and speedometers. What do you mean by microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer and supercomputer? These are different types of a computer having different processing speed, having different memory capacity and storage ability. What is the merit of a supercomputer compared to other computers? Supercomputer is a high performance computer. Its speed is measured in floating point operation per second or it is called as flops instead of a MIPS, milli instruction per second. Generally supercomputer रा processing speed high थाए. साधारणतः आमे जनरल कंप्यूटर प्रोसेसिंग स्पीड को मिलियन इंस्ट्रक्शन पर सेकंड रे कैलकुलेशन कला बेले सुपर कंप्यूटर स्पीड को आमे फ्लॉप्स रे कैलकुलेशन करथांती. फ्लॉप्स फ्लोटिंग पॉइंट ऑपरेशन पर सेकंड. So that is why supercomputer is a very powerful computer. What is the data processing system of a digital computer? It is the collection and manipulation of a digital data to produce meaningful information. What are the major characteristics of a computer? Specially इटा गोटे क्वेश्चन थाए कि कंप्यूटर कौन कौन स्पेशल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स अच्छी एडवांटेजेस अच्छी जोटा को बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वी आर यूजिंग कंप्यूटर इन एवरी फील्ड. स्पीड, स्टोरेज, डिलिजेंस, रिलायबिलिटी, ऑटोमेशन, वर्सेटिलिटी, memory capacity and accuracy. These are the important points. What are functional units of a computer? There are 5 major functional units such as input unit, output unit, memory unit, arithmetical and logical unit and control unit. Why CPU is called as a brain of a computer system? Because it controls the overall operation of a computer. Can you describe CPU as a heart of a computer? Because it contains a microprocessor for data execution. Nowadays, generally we are using Core I processor, Ryzen processor. So that is why because of the speed of the computer. So that is why CPU is called as the heart of the computer system. What is the difference between keyboard and mouse? Keyboard is an input device and also mouse is an input device. But what is the difference is that keyboard is the typing input device, whereas mouse is a hand operated pointing input device. What is the difference between scanner and barcode reader? These both are also input device, but scanner converts the light energy into electrical energy, whereas a barcode reader works by directing a beam of light across the barcode. What is the difference between input and output unit of a system? The unit of a computer by which we are feeding data to computer, that is called input, and the unit of computer by which we are getting information, that is called output. So now you see input units receive signal or data, but output units provide signal or data. What are the major application of a CPU? CPU interpret process and execute the instructions. Now question number 524. What is full form of a UPS? Uninterruptible power supply. What is the use of a UPS? UPS provides backup power, protecting equipment from damage in the event of a grid power failure. What is the full form of a visual display unit? Which button of a CPU allow user for restart system without turning the power off? The correct answer is reset button. What is the name of the port where we attach a pen drive? There are different ports are there on a CPU. The port where we attach a pen drive, mobile cable, keyboard cable, mouse cable, what is that name? That name is USB drive or flash drive. Which port do you use to attach mouse and keyboard cable instead of a USB port? Without using USB port, some other ports is there where we connect keyboard cable or where we attach keyboard cable or mouse cable. What is the name of that port? PS2 port, personal system 2 port. Mouse port, generally mouse port is green in color and keyboard port is purple in color. Now you see this figure I have given here. What do you mean by hardware of a computer? Physical parts of a computer is called as hardware of a computer, such as CPU, RAM memory, motherboard, storage graphics card, sound card, monitor, mouse, keyboard and speakers. These are the major hardware of a computer. What is the software of a computer? Software is a set of instructions and programs used to operate computers and execute specific tasks. There are two types of software are there. One is system software, that is called as operating system. Another is application software, mostly used for official applications. Which hardware is major for computer setup? The correct answer is the motherboard. This is the main board of a CPU where all the electronic parts are mounted. What are the differences between hardware and software of a computer? Hardware refers to physical and visible components such as monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Software refers to the set of instructions which enable the hardware to perform a specific set of a task. What are types of a keyboard do you use? Normally we use QWERTY keyboard, gaming keyboard, virtual keyboard, multimedia keyboard, etc. What are types of a mouse we use? Mechanical mouse, trackball mouse, optical mouse, wireless mouse. What are different types of a monitors? CRT monitor, cathode ray tube monitor, LCD monitor, liquid crystal display monitor, LED monitor, light emitting diode monitor, OLED, organic light emitting diode monitor. These are the different type of monitor we are generally using. Nowadays, especially CRT monitor is not used because of so many demerits are there. So that is why most of LED monitors are used in all sectors. What are types of printers? Inkjet printer, laser printer, thermal printer, dot matrix printer. Now you see this is the diagram I have given here. Figures of different printers are given here. What are names of a top brand printer manufacturing company? Ko company printer manufacturing karuchanti bhalo brand ro printer manufacturing company. Now you see HP company, Canon company, Epson company, Samsung company. HP means Hewlett Packard. What is the application of a scanner? Scan document, scan image, digitize information and convert into digital format. This is the function of this the application of a scanner. Why do you consider speaker as output unit? Speakers turn information into an audible sound. So that is why it is called as output unit. Because it has to sound out. How many function keys are there on a keyboard? Normally there are 12 function keys of a keyboard. That is indicated as F1 to F12. Function key 1 to function key 12. Which key of a keyboard is used to erase previous character of the pointer? Cursor of पक्ष अक्षर डिलीट करिया पई erase करिया पई हमें को कीटा व्यवहार करंते. The correct answer is backspace key. What is the use of escape key of a keyboard? To cancel an operation. Whenever we are doing an operation, if we want to cancel that, then we have to use escape key. What is the use of a tab key and a caps lock? Tab key takes the cursor to the next tab stop. Caps lock changes the case of the letters into uppercase character. If we want to type continuously capital characters, then we have to do? We have to caps lock. We have to make the caps lock on. Why do we use home key and end key of the keyboard? Move pointer to the start and end of the particular line or document. Is norm lock by default on or off? Whenever you switch on the computer, that time you check whether the norm lock is on or not. By default, it is actually on. Which memory is termed as a primary memory of a computer? The correct answer is random access memory, or that is called as RAM. Is mass memory permanent or volatile of a computer? Volatile means that is temporary. But actually mass memory belongs to what we consider as mass memory: hard disk, solid state drive, pen drive, DVD, all these are mass memories. So that is why mass memory is permanent and it is not volatile. What is the use of a ROM for computer application? ROM is a pre-programmed chip attached on a motherboard. So ROM stores data and instructions for the device to start up. Why SSD is better than SSD? Solid state drive is better than hard disk drive. What is the cause behind it? So many causes are there. Now I am going to narrate. SSD is lighter than SSD. This is very important point. SSD use less power and don't vibrate because of a no spinning part like SSD. Hard disk रे spinning part था but solid state drive रे spinning part न था. So that is why there is no question of a vibration. SSD offers a faster read and write speed in comparison with the hard disk. SSD generate less heat than SSD. During operation, HDD generate more heat than SSD. So that is why SSD is better than SSD. Nowadays, most of the people they are preferring SSD instead of a SSD. What are the parts of a CPU? Arithmetical and logical unit, control unit, memory unit. These are the parts of a CPU. Why RAM chip is very important for handling computer? You know, there must be the use of a work area memory for computer application. Random access memory is such type of memory. RAM is used for immediate data storage and retrieval. It also coordinates to open files and move data. You have checked so many important questions in this video. How do you feel? You have to comment me. Thanks a lot.